I'm Amanda Anderson, the CEO of Lakeview Maple Luxury Estates. We are thrilled to welcome you to an exclusive tour of our magnificent properties. Here you'll find a dedicated team of the finest real estate agents, each one committed to providing personalized service that caters to your unique needs and desires.
Hello, I'm Michael. As you explore our community, you'll discover magnificent landscaped gardens, walking trails, and exclusive recreational facilities. Lakeview Maple Luxury Estates promises an unparalleled lifestyle experience. Se habla español.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Williams. My name is Helen Smith, and I am delighted to have the opportunity to guide you through this open house tour today.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Helen. Thank you.
Not a problem at all. It's my pleasure. Welcome to what might be your dream home.
This space is perfect for hosting our annual family gatherings.
I adore the stunning crystal chandelier and the impressive floor-to-ceiling windows. The natural light is incredible.
The kitchen includes high-end stainless steel appliances and ample counter space for all your culinary adventures.
Oh, I can already imagine sipping coffee here every morning.
This is a luxurious master bedroom with a king-size bed, minimalist decor, and a large window framing the lake. The house features a total of 5 bedrooms.
There's plenty of natural light from the large windows. I'm sure my daughter Julia will choose this bedroom for herself. Julia enjoys diving into books, and this room offers a wonderful, cozy atmosphere.
The house features 3 full bathrooms and 1 half bathroom. Each of them features stunning white marble adorned with a subtle touch of dark gray. You're going to love this gym with state-of-the-art equipment, which connects to a large swimming pool surrounded by glass walls.
A gym and a swimming pool? We'll never need to leave the house for workouts.
Enjoy this magnificent lake view all day long.
What a fantastic spot this is for me to create my artwork. The view of this lake has already sparked my inspiration to paint. I can picture Julia doing yoga at sunset. She will enjoy this tranquil scene, giving her the perfect feeling of zen.
After a long day of hard work, we can relax in the jacuzzi and enjoy this stunning view.
Mr. and Mrs. Williams, what do you think of this house?
The layout is perfect for our family, and I can already imagine us enjoying evenings here together.
We are eagerly looking forward to beginning the paperwork.
Congratulations! Your family is beginning a new journey. Here is the key to your new home.
It's time for a quiz. Let's get started with some short answer questions.
Don't worry, everything will turn out fine.
Is the living room perfect for hosting their annual family gatherings? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't.
This space is perfect for hosting our annual family gatherings.
Does the kitchen include high-end stainless steel appliances? Yes, it does. Or no, it doesn't.
The kitchen includes high-end stainless steel appliances and ample counter space for all your culinary adventures.
Does the house feature a total of 5 bedrooms? Yes, it does. Or no, it doesn't.
The house features a total of 5 bedrooms.
Does the house have a gym and a swimming pool? Yes, it does. Or no, it doesn't.
A gym and a swimming pool? We'll never need to leave the house for workouts.
Does Mrs. Williams feel inspired to paint? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't.
The view of this lake has already sparked my inspiration to paint.
Can Mrs. Williams picture Julia doing yoga at sunset? Yes, she can. Or no, she can't.
I can picture Julia doing yoga at sunset. Did Mr. and Mrs. Williams decide to buy the house? Yes, it did, or no, it didn't.
Here is the key to your new home.
Hello, everyone! I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. No matter where you are in the world, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, we're all on this journey together. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you soon!